Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision. No player in the Premier League has won more tackles this season than Tyrick Mitchell. 55 tackles. Yes, he's Jamaican. JFF, listening? Tyrick Kwan Mitchell is an English professional footballer who plays as a left back for Premier League club Crystal Palace. Mitchell is a product of the Brentford and Crystal Palace academies. He made his first team debut for the latter in July 2020, becoming a regular in the team over the following season. Mitchell is just 22 years old. So far for Crystal Palace in the Premier League, Mitchell has played 19 games for Crystal Palace in the league, starting all 19, and has been ever-present 90 minutes in each game. He has not scored a goal as yet from left back, however he provided one assist and created one big chance. He's averaging 0.5 key passes per game with an accuracy rate of 73%. He's currently on 5 clean sheets. His interception per game is 1.4, tackles per game 2.9, possession 1.2, dribble pass per game 0.8, clearances per game 2.1, and as I said before, he's leading in tackles with 55. No one has more tackles than Tyrick Mitchell in the Premiership. In terms of his dribbles, he's 50%, total duels won 56%, ground duels won 3.7, which is 58%, aerial duels won 50%, possession loss 17.5 per game, fouls 0.6, how many times he's been fouled 0.4. As it relates to his discipline, check this: 0 yellow cards, 0 red cards. So he's doing what he's doing well. He's defending well, he's putting in the tackles, he's very active, he's still up and down with Crystal Palace. Good play for Crystal Palace, and we hope the JFF is watching Tyrick Mitchell's performances in the Premiership. He's Jamaican, he has Jamaican heritage. They should take a look at him, maybe add him to the pool. Just want players to be added to the pool, and I think Tyrick Mitchell is having a great season under the radar for Crystal Palace, and he should be looked at in the future. We might be needing a left back in the near future. I know we have Kamara Taxi Lawrence. He's coming to the end of his career. We have the likes of Greg Lay here as backup, but Tyrick Mitchell, 22, is for the future. He can be the left back that we need going forward. It can be the long-term replacement for Kamara Taxi Lawrence. So I think it's a good shout. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Is Tyrick Mitchell the one for the future? We have other players over there for Crystal Palace. Nathan Ferguson, he plays right back. So the full backs over there for Crystal Palace can be very important for Jamaica in the future. But right now I'm looking at Tyrick Mitchell. He's playing well in a Crystal Palace team, and they come up with former Arsenal legend Patrick Vieira as a coach. They're playing good football, bouncing it around, getting good results. They beat Spurs, so a team to be looked at. And I hope he doesn't get called up for England. I hope Southgate is not looking at Tyrick Mitchell, but I hope that the JFF are. So Ricketts, everybody responsible, the scout, Winston Clark, hope you guys watching. I know you guys are aware of Mr. Mitchell. Hope you guys can reach out to him, before the season ends. I know it'll be difficult for him to play probably for this window or for the remainder of the World Cup qualifications. But let's get him working on his documentation. We'd love to have a new left back in the ranks. So Tyrick Mitchell, big up yourself, continue the good play, and I hope the JFF reaches out to you. So there you have it, Tyrick Mitchell, young, up and coming Crystal Palace left back, Jamaican heritage. No player in the Premier League has won more tackles this season so far than Tyrick Mitchell with 55. So he's doing very, very well at that, defending well. So let us know what you think in the comment section below. Do you agree with me? Do you want Tyrick Mitchell? Or we'll probably have somebody else in mind? Let us know in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.